But Pam, to you on like, how do you consolidate all those different places?
I've been in large enterprise where you have just a sea of SharePoints, and it's these giant filing cabinets that are unwieldy to go through. No context given, just files. So there's so much efficiency to be gained by putting in a platform where you can put that content in context, and not even just content. Now you can supplement that with your just-in-time learning right alongside your content as well. You just see massive gains in productivity.
Yeah, I think one of my customers described their the way they've got their SharePoint set up. It was like that scene from Bruce Almighty where he opens up the cabinet and it goes on for a very, very long time. Yeah, she described basically that's just one folder in one of their in-house built content repositories, and she was like, "It's I just don't know where to even start." So, yeah, so you've had examples like that. I've heard of people where they've have 7 different repositories because they have teams globally. So one team has one specific for the region that they're in, and it's like, how do we combine all of that together? How do we even start? So, working with them and then sort of, where's the low hanging fruit has sort of helped them better understand how these tools can help them and reduce, 6, 7. I think the most I've ever heard was there was 15 instances, and that was from manufacturing company because they had so many portfolio of sort of products and industries they could sell into. It was just like, oh, we'll spin up a new one for this industry, and it's like, okay, but no one knows what's even in there.